fantastic time here. It's been such a privilege to coach you guys. A lot of you, it's been fantastic to row with you guys as well. It's been really good. I've been rowing for about 20 odd years now. Worcester has been my favourite time. The wonderful thing about it is the fact that no matter which boat club you go to, you encounter the same characters, you encounter people who are just eternally happy. People like Pete Hicks who seriously, there must be some drugs involved. To be that happy. Then you get the other guys who are just slightly clueless. People like Lou. Oh, and, sorry, Tom. Who seriously only seem to make it there by some sort of course of Brownian motion. I'm not quite sure how that does it. Then you get the coxes. These little people who you can only really describe as gremlins. You're not really quite huge. Little, yes, big and without a license. But anyway, cute and little and really quite, and you want to put them on the mat, and then you get them near water, and they are the spawn of Satan. Emma, I'm still recovering from today. And then you get the meatheads, the gingers, the silly. But really, do you get the combined in all three people? It's all one people. You get the little people. The people who no one's really quite told they shouldn't row. Normally in most boat clubs they sit quietly in the bow. However, it would seem that this year they've managed to get themselves into the stroke suit. Lovely about rowing in that, it's the banter, it's the fact that when the boat goes above heads and you see the little stroke men trying to get just like that, and then you see the rest of the crew just gently lift up onto their toes. And I think that is the wonderful thing. But the wonderful thing really is the way that all of these diverse characters then come together to row as one unit. And it's true. It's the fact that when you are out there on the water, you are rowing as one, you are rowing for yourself, but the reason you don't stop is because of everyone else in the boat, everyone else in your boat. And that is the really wonderful thing about rowing.